How to fix yellow triangle on internet icon in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can fix if your Windows 11 is showing a yellow triangle on the internet icon. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first step is to restart your router and your PC. First of all, turn off your Wi-Fi router for at least 10 seconds. After that, turn it back. Also, make sure to restart your PC or computer. This will solve issue in most of the cases. If that still does not help you, run a troubleshooter in your device. So you have to head over to the internet icon on your device. You have to right click and then you have to click on diagnose network problem. That will run the troubleshooter in your device and Windows will try to detect and fix the issue automatically. So that may also help you fix your problem. If that still does not help you, you could also reset your network settings. So in your device, click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for settings and click and open it up. That head over to network and internet, scroll down, click on advanced network settings, and here you will find an option as network reset. You have to click on it, and then once your network reset is completed, you have to restart your PC. And this may also help you fix your problem. If that still does not help you, now make sure to update your network driver. For that, click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Device Manager and open it up. After you open up Device Manager in your device, from the list here, search for Network Adapter, click and expand it up. Now you have to right click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet driver if you can find it here. Right click on it, then you have to click on Update Driver. And here click on search automatically for driver and Windows will automatically search if there's any update required, and if it does, the device will be updated automatically. Here it says the drivers are already installed. So that's all for today's video. That's how you can fix the yellow triangle and restore internet in your Windows 11. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.